So here we have a set of Norfolk Southern ES4400 engines. Front and the rear units are sound. The center unit's a non-sound unit. These engines run together perfectly as a consist. And I'll give you the demo here on that. There you go. You can't get any better than that, people. It's what you're looking for when you consistent engines. Now, with the sound, you have to catch the delays. That's the non-sound unit doesn't have the delays, so you'd have to get used to operating these units. There you go, some more great equipment from Intermountain.